Hello. So Christeyns actually is one of Bradford's oldest companies, founded in 1874, originally called Oils and Soaps, and the clue's in the title as to what we do. We manufacture soap and actually chemicals for the hygiene sector as well as chemicals for the construction sector. 140 fantastic people work within our Bradford facility, of which currently 10 are apprentices and also a couple of interns from university. Our apprenticeship program is actually, we think, second to none. Something we put together over the last 9-10 years. It's really gathering some momentum now. So our young apprentices are something I'm incredibly proud of, and actually we as a business are incredibly proud of. So in terms of the roles in our company, there's lots of opportunities. So from chemistry, research and development, manufacturing, production engineering, sales account managers, customer services, accountancy, my goodness, the list goes on. So almost any job you can think of, we can probably find that type of role within our organisation. For young people doing work experience with us, I think you'll have a great time. We've created what we think is a good work experience programme, which will stretch you quite nicely. And at the end of the day, you'll pitch against other teams, working with other partners, and pitch to some of our directors. So good luck with that.